Hi guys, if you want to buy this efficient and eco-friendly cordless lawnmower with LED headlights, dual batteries and rapid charger, please visit the link provided in the description. If you want an easier way to keep your lawn looking clean, this cordless electric lawnmower is designed around convenience, mobility, and everyday performance. The first major advantage is the cordless setup. You don't need gasoline, fuel storage, or a long extension cable. Just charge the batteries, install them, and you're ready to mow. This makes moving around the yard much easier, especially when you need to reach different corners or areas away from a power outlet. The dual battery system is another useful feature. Having two batteries gives you more flexibility during a mowing session and can help you cover more lawn without depending on a single battery. The rapid charger adds even more convenience by helping reduce charging downtime between uses. Power comes from a brushless motor designed for efficient and consistent operation. Brushless motors are commonly used in modern cordless outdoor equipment because they can deliver strong performance while requiring less routine maintenance than traditional brushed motors. You also get adjustable cutting height, which gives you more control over how your grass is trimmed. Whether your lawn needs a higher cut or a shorter finish, being able to change the cutting height makes the mower more adaptable to different lawn conditions. The LED headlights are an interesting addition. They can be particularly useful when you're mowing early in the morning or later in the evening when natural light isn't as strong. Better visibility can make it easier to see the mowing path and navigate around the yard. Another benefit of the electric design is quieter operation compared with many gas-powered alternatives. There's also no gasoline exhaust while you're mowing, making the experience cleaner and more convenient. The basic operation is simple. Charge the batteries, install them, select your desired cutting height, and start mowing. The cordless design keeps everything easy to maneuver without a power cable getting in your way. Of course, actual battery runtime and cutting performance will depend on your lawn size, grass thickness, terrain, cutting height, and battery condition. So it's always important to consider your specific yard before choosing a cordless mower. Overall, this mower combines several practical features into one package: cordless operation, a brushless motor, dual batteries, rapid charging, adjustable cutting height, and LED headlights. If you're looking for a modern electric mower that can simplify your regular lawn care routine, this one is definitely worth checking out. If you want to learn more, visit the link provided in the description.